In this video, we listed the 5 best plasma cutter under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. Lotos LTP500d Plasma Cutter. So, let's take a peek at the Lotos LTP500d. It's a pilot arc plasma cutter, which boasts super quality cutting, all neatly packaged in a compact little bundle. It's ideal for those smaller DIY jobs at home, but is also perfectly suited to medium-scale commercial stuff. The non-touch pilot circular plasma shaper is very efficient and can cut through really thick material too. You can slice your way through materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, copper, compound steel, and, well, any type of conductive metal actually. The really amazing thing about this device is that you can make cuts without stressing or misshaping the material you're cutting. This 50-amp digital inverter machine weighs a mere 20 pounds and is equipped with a propelled cooling frame and a switch control inverter. It can neatly cut its way through material up to 3/4 inch thick. We think you'll agree that this is a really good buy. At number 2. ZENY 50-amp Cut 50. The ZENY DC plasma cutter is fairly new on the market. It's the perfect tool for the job of cutting through metal. The cutter comes with a brilliant plasma torch, which has been designed specifically to upgrade and enhance the quality of every single cut. This clever little number can be used to slice through materials for all sorts of applications, making sheet metal structures, construction site work, car repairs, ducting, general DIY. You name it, it can cut it. The ZENY DC plasma torch uses 50 Hz 60 Hz with the V MOSFET transforming this current down to the correct voltage, and the super lightweight inverter control is just perfect for the job. It will even increase productivity by 30%. This dual voltage 110 to 220 volts cutting equipment is both light and small, but creates a high electromagnetic field that seems impossible for such a compact structure. At number 3. Lotos LT3500 Portable Plasma Cutter. The Lotos LT3500 now. This 35-amp air plasma cutter has been designed to take on those lighter cutting jobs. As it's one of the smallest plasma shapers on the market, it weighs in at just 8 kilograms, 17.6 pounds. That said, the device is perfectly capable of cutting a piece of metal that is 10 millimeters thick, so this gives you a great price-performance ratio for all your DIY chores. As with the LT3500, the Lotos LT3500 boasts a higher amperage of 35 amps and yet is under 100 volts. It can be used alongside your air compressor too. What more could you want? This under $500 machine is ideal for cutting alloy steel, stainless steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, etc., all while using non-hazardous, safe, compressed air and requiring little to no effort in the process. Food for thought, we think. At number 4. SUNGOLDPOWER Ct520d. Let's take a look at the SUNGOLDPOWER Air Plasma Cutter. It's a member of the CUT50 family and delivers a current of up to 50 amps. All of these units offer a similar value range, and we noticed that most of them are either blue or yellow, go figure. When considered along with other comparable models, you notice that it has an advanced LCD display too. It can ramp all the way up to 220 volts to enable the cutting of thicker surfaces, and it can slice down to a depth of 15 millimeters too. Impressive, right? As is the case with most of the lower range models, this below $500 unit comes with a 1-year guarantee and a fairly basic range of consumables. At number 5. PrimeWeld Ct520d 50. This multi-purpose unit offers you a whole range of welding and cutting options. It can slice through various types of metal up to 1/2 inch thick and with a 50A plasma cutting capacity. Weighing 32 pounds, this machine is both convenient and solid. The fact that it combines plasma cutting, TIG stick welding and arc welding functions too, makes it the perfect 3-in-1 cutter to meet all your welding and cutting needs. What's not to like? Compact cutter. Efficient and portable. Lightweight and easy to use. So if you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.